guys, Cameron over at 816 Diesel, and boy do we have a treat for you today. Something unique and interesting. A 79 Dodge Sportsman van B200. And do we have one of the coolest vans you've ever seen. 22,000 original miles, 318 cruise control, factory AC. AC does not work, but this thing is fully tuned up, fully serviced. I mean, look at it. It's got the SHAG roof, light fixtures. This is sweet. Radar, everything. Like I said, 22,329 original miles. We're gonna be cold starting it. Ooh, it fires right up. Previous owner says you can take this cross country. It is ready for whatever you got. Camping, sleeping, working, playing, you name it. This thing is off the charts. Tunes, overhead on the tunes, we got an aftermarket Kenwood tape deck, if that tells you anything about the era. Dice included in the mirror. And like I said, we do have, I think that is radar. I'm not quite sure. Yeah, I believe so. Might just be a clock. Everything works as it should with the exception of the air conditioner. Outside of that, we got heat, cruise control, crank windows. It's got your little splitter windows. I mean, this thing is sweet, guys. I am telling you right now. It's got the rat fink in it. Look at that. This one is one for the bucks, guys. And the guy who owns this is part of his personal collection. Not a penny has been spared on the maintenance and upkeep of this fan. The exhaust might be the coolest thing on it. I'm gonna go ahead and let you hear it. 318 two-barrel. It's got the high beam button on the floorboard, in case you don't know what that is. It's so loud, I'm actually going to turn it off for this video, guys. Brand new Crager wheels, brand new Mickey Thompson tires. I mean, spotless head to toe. The paint is phenomenal. It's been fully detailed. It is for sale with a clean title. And again, the dealership is the one selling this in Harrisonville, Missouri. Good friends of 816 Diesel. They do the same thing we do, but they mess with some exotics on top of diesel trucks. So you are going to be seeing some new cool stuff like this one. Hopping in the back seat. Fully functional. It's got your spare down there, spare belt just in case. Speakers up in the corner, curtains. We got a party table back here. You can drink margaritas and play blackjack all night long in this thing. Yes! And you know this folds down into a red bed. Yes! Privacy tint on the windows, curtains on it all. This thing is ready to camp. You got space to do so many activities. The light fixtures are off the charts. Don't mind that tear. It is a 79, so go easy on her. Louvers on the rear window. It's got a trailer hitch, 2-inch receiver in case you want to tow. The exhaust is dual exhaust, true duals. I mean, look at the condition of this paint, guys. It is phenomenal. The street van strikes again. Boom. Look at this. These door handles are sick. What more could you ask for? The art. Modern decor. Look at that. That could be a collectible for all you know. It could be worth thousands one day. Guys, I don't know if you're like me. Movies from the 90s, if you saw them, there's always some highly popular dude driving one of these black vans that didn't look like one of your mom's vans, and this is it. This is what he was driving. Holy time capsule. But guys, that is it. I don't know if you are as excited as I am right now, but this thing right here is a piece of history. And I mean, it just doesn't stop. Every angle you look at it from, it was one of the coolest things I've ever seen. 22,000 original miles, new wheels and tires, pristine black paint head to toe, runs and drives perfect. Take it cross country, new wheels and tires, fully tuned up and serviced. Look at this thing. I'm gonna go ahead and throw in the dealership's info right here. It'll take you to their website where you can get pictures, pricing, videos of it running, a full list of modifications, service, everything is going to be on that website, so check it out. And let me know what you think, guys. Do you like seeing one-off stuff like this on the channel? Is this cool? Is this a waste of time? Let me know what you think. And always, if you haven't, like and subscribe. We appreciate you watching. Thanks for dropping in today, and let me know.